Hey guys, so my garlic order just came and I wanted to share with you guys what that garlic looks like. I ordered from Mad River Garlic Growers and they are out of Ohio, which is local to me. So I know that the garlic that I get from them is going to grow well because we're in the same state. So anyways, let's take a look at this garlic. I want to open it up with you guys. Okay, so here is my box of garlic. So let's go ahead and open it up. I got a big nosy, big head right here. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! Okay, sit down, sit. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Hi. Go get your toy. I'm not your toy. Go get your toy. Ah. Kiss. You do good, boo. Yes, it is. All right, go get your toy. Go get your toy. It's over there. All right, so it comes with these little packets. It tells you, this one is really nice because it tells you, for anyone who is new to growing garlic, how to plant your garlic, which is awesome. Comes with this little bag. Hey, that's not yours. Hang on, let me get his toy. No, 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 no. Down. That's your toy. There you go. All right, so I ordered the Gardener's pack. Let me see. Is it Gardener's pack? Yes, Gardener's pack of garlic. So it comes with a multiple garlics. It comes with a couple of different varieties. So let me show you what those are. And I have bought from them before, and I actually love their garlic. It did really well. But I did not get a chance to order from them last year, which I wish I did, because our garlic this year that we planted last year actually really sucks. So this one here is called Russian Red. It's a ½ pound. Come on, baby. Not you talking about the garlic. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay. Look at these huge bulbs. Look at this, dude. Like, wow. Here are my bulbs. This is the Russian Red. So to plant garlic, you would separate each of the cloves and then plant that clove in the ground. So big. This one is huge. All right, so let's bag that back up. That's the Russian Red. Right, and then this one is called, I can't really pronounce that, enchilium. ½ pound of that. I'm gonna have to do some research on this one because I've never heard of that one before. So let's open it up here. It smells so good. There's a lot of bulbs in this one. They're not as big as the other, but they're decent size. I'll just say that. Okay, so we've got, this one is a little awkward looking. Look at the shape of that. Okay, and then we've got a few more bulbs. This one is a little awkward shape too. That's okay. These are some really great looking bulbs. Beautiful, and they smell so good. Ah, I'm dropping them. Don't you dare bite, don't you dare grab my garlic. All right, watch your feeties. Watch your feet before they get smashed. Okay, so let's bag that up. What? You wanna smell? You want to smell? It's that Scarlet. That's Scarlet. Hi, baby. I know. You're a lap dog. Okay, so this one is Music. I've grown Music before. Music is delicious. Let's see what these bulbs look like. Oh, these are nice big bulbs. Sir, sir. Personal space. Big giant bulbs. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I love music garlic, so good. Okay, and the last bag is chestnut. I love chestnut garlic. This is one of my favorite varieties, chestnut. Love it. I'm so glad that they included this one in there. Come on, buddy. So let's see how big these bulbs are. Big. It's a ½ pound. Oh my goodness. Now with this order, you can always just eat these. They're ready to be eaten. But if you know, like me, I'm not buying them to eat this year. I'm buying them to grow. So definitely super loud. So when you're planting, you want to have nice loose soil. Separate your cloves, your bulb into cloves, and then plant in that soil. Add some fertilizer in, and then don't fertilize again until spring, when they are starting to ramp up growth again. And you might see them grow a little bit this year prior to like winter time. That's okay. That green, don't worry about it. It will survive. And then next year it should start really kicking up the growth for you. But yeah, beautiful. I love these. I'll tag the shop in the description in case you want to order from them. Orders are open and ready for the season. They have so many options to choose from. Make sure you do your research so that you can know for sure that that particular variety of garlic will grow well where you live. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.